Okay, dear students, today we discuss about the same chapter, that is factorization, and our SLO is like this one. Factorize of the expression of the type a raised to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b raised to the power 4, or a raised to the power 4 plus b raised to the power 4. If any question which is related to this type, so how can we factorize such kind of questions? So with the help of the same example, I will explain it how to solve such kind of questions. Let's suppose there is a question: factorize a raised to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b raised to the power 4. Okay, now we just simplify it like this. This is a square whole square, and we use this one plus b square whole square. Our solution is like this one, plus this is a square b square. Okay, and we know that these all identities a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and the last one is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. These are very important identities. We use these all identities in such kind of questions. Here, unfortunately, if we use a as a square and b as b square, but after use this identity, because the middle term is in plus a square b square, this is in plus. So if we use this identity, unfortunately 2 is not here, so we can't use this identity. So here the technique is adding and subtracting a square b square. It is clear? After addition of this, here is 2a square b square, so we can easily use the formula, and the extra term is, that is, minus a square b square. For the balance of this expression, we add and subtract a square b square. So here a square whole square plus b square whole square plus a square b square plus a square b square माइनस ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर. ऐसा करने से क्या होगा? फायदा ये होगा कि हम फैक्टराइज कर सकेंगे. बट अगेन अगर इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा, हमारा मेन रिजल्ट आ जाता है. सो बैलेंस करने के लिए हमने एक बार प्लस किया, एक बार माइनस किया. नाउ सिंप्लीफाइड ए स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर plus, if these are like terms, so we can add these two, 2a square b square, and the left term is minus a square b square. Here we use, from here to here we use the identity. In our previous lecture we used the identity in such kind of questions. So here what is our a? Our a is a square, and what is our b? B is b square and whole square, and here minus ab whole square. We can write this as this one. Now we use this whole term is a and this is b, so a square minus b square, so we use this identity. So here what is our a? Our a is a square plus b square minus ab, a minus b, and into a plus b. What is our a? Our a is this one, and what is our b? Our b is this one. So this is our final result. Now we use this type. This is like this one, a raised to the power 4 plus b raised to the power 4. Now our solution is like this one. Okay, here the middle sign is in minus, then we can easily use this one. Unfortunately, here is plus, so we can't use this identity. So now we just add and subtract something with this expression, and then we can easily factorize it. So which term we can add or subtract here? So let's see. What is our first term? That is a square whole square plus b square and whole square. Okay, now with the help of this formula, the middle term should be 2ab, means our a is here, a square, b is b square. So our middle term should be plus 2a square b square. So in such kind of questions, we just adding and subtracting 2a square b square. ओके, एडिंग वाला इसके साथ मैं इसलिए लिख रहा हूं क्योंकि ये वाला फॉर्मूला बन जाए। इसके बाद माइनस वाला मैं लास्ट में इसलिए लिख रहा हूं क्योंकि ये वाला फॉर्मूला मैं यूज कर सकूं। अगर माइनस वाला इसके साथ अगर मैं बना के ये वाला फॉर्मूला बना लेता हूं तो फिर फर्दर मेरी फैक्टराइजेशन नहीं हो सकती। सो वी यूज दिस, वी मेक दिस आइडेंटिटी फर्स्ट एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन टर्म जो है वो हम लास्ट में लिखेंगे। इट इज क्लियर? सो हियर we can adding and subtracting 2a square b square. Okay, here plus 2a square b square, and for balance we minus the same term with this expression. Now it is clear, I think. Now this is the formula, the first identity, that is a square plus b square and whole square. Here minus 2a square b square. Now we use this identity, but this is not in our square, so we use a technique like this. If I use under root 2 whole square, it means that root and 2 are cancelled to each other, our result is 2. We use this as under root 2 whole square. So here a square plus b square whole square minus under root 2a b whole square. It is clear? If we square of this under root 2, that is 2 a square and b square. So now we can use a third identity, that is a square minus b square. So use it. What is our a? Our a is a square plus b square. Our b is under root 2 ab into, what is our a? Our a is a square plus b square, and what is our b? Plus under root 2 a b. So this is our final result. Okay, this question is also belongs to this type, so we can use the same conditions. So solution is like this one: x square whole square. If we factorize this, that is 4y square whole square. This is our middle term, that is x square y square. If we use this formula, then our middle term should be 2 into 4 means 8. So there should be 8, but unfortunately there is 4. So we just adding and subtracting. Adding and subtracting 4x square y square. If 4x square y square plus 4x square y square is equal to 8x square y square, so we can easily use this identity. So that's why we adding and subtracting 4x square y square. Now plus 4x square y square. For the balance we also minus 4x square y square. Now just simplify, that is x square whole square plus 4y square whole square plus, if we add these two, that is 8x square y square minus 4x square y square. So this is a formula. We use this for identity, that is, what is our a? Our a is x square, and what is our b? Our b is 4y square whole square minus 2xy whole square. We just simplify this like this one. So now we can use this identity. This identity says that a square minus b square. This whole term is a and this is b. So a means x square plus 4y square minus 2xy into x square plus y 4y square plus 2xy. So this is our final result. This is also the question which is related to this various law. So we just simplify like this one. Solution x square whole square. We take this one plus 1 whole square. If we use this as a, this as b, and what is our 2ab? 2 into 1, that is 2. B is a is x square. So our middle term should be 2x square. But here are 14x square. So this is like this one minus 14x square. It is clear. Now we adding and subtracting 2x square. If we subtracted 2x square, so this one is 16x square. So 16 is a square term. So we add or subtract a term like that. The left term should be a square term. So here x square whole square plus 1 whole square plus 2 x square minus 2 x square minus 14 x square. Add and subtract this one. It is clear? So this is a formula, that is x square plus 1 whole square minus 2x square minus 4x square, that is minus 16x square. Okay, now again whole square minus 4x whole square. We write this like this one. So we use this identity, that is x square plus 1 minus 4x into x square plus 1 plus 4x. So this is our final result. Now for further understanding, we solve another question. This is the same question which is related to this various law. So again we identify the square terms and simplify it. This is our square term and this is our square term. Our middle term is this. If we use the formula, this one, 2ab means 2 multiply 3, that is 6x square y square. But unfortunately the middle term is 30x square y square. So we can't use directly the formula. So we have to add and subtract something. Adding and subtracting 6x square y square. Why we add and subtract 6? Because if we subtract 6x square y square with this one becomes minus 36x square y square. And we all know that 36 is a square term. So that's why we add and subtract 6x square y square. Now plus 6x square y square minus 6x square y square minus 30x square y square. Clear? So this is a formula. So what is our x? Our a is x square plus what is our b? Our b is 3y square whole square. We use this identity over here. Minus 6x square y square minus 30x square y square is minus 36x square y square. Just simplify it. It is clear. Now we use the third identity, that is a square minus b square. A is this one minus b is this one. A is x square plus 3y square plus 6xy. So this is our final result. I hope that you understand the concept. If you have any confusion, then please inbox me that question. I am here to guide you. It is clear? So have fun out.